Tesla starts full self-driving rollout in Australia. Tesla has already started rolling out its full self-driving suite to owners in Australia, after officially launching the driver assistance suite in the country yesterday. Earlier this week, Tesla seemed to be moving toward the launch of full self-driving, supervised in Australia, after numerous media members received early access to test its performance. Tesla officially launched full self-driving supervised in Australia yesterday. The company told media members who got early access to the suite that the rollout would begin with hardware 4 equipped Model 3 and Model Y vehicles. Tesla launches full self-driving in a new region. The release would be slow and gradual, with the process performed in stages. The first stage of the rollout has already begun in Australia. The first wave of Tesla full self-driving is rolling out to owners in Australia. Tesla is reminding drivers in Australia who are using the suite for the first time that they must not become complacent while FSD is in operation. It is not fully autonomous and still requires the driver to remain attentive to road conditions and the vehicle's surroundings. Currently, the suite is only available to purchase outright, and it comes at a cost of $10,100. A subscription model is in the works, similar to the one in the United States, but Tesla has not yet announced its plans or pricing model for this. Australia is the 6th country to receive full self-driving supervised, or at least some version of it, as the United States, Canada, Mexico, China, and Puerto Rico all have access to the suite currently. In China, it is slightly different and is referred to as City Autopilot due to regulatory boundaries. Early reviews of the suite have been very strong, as local media have also had the opportunity to try it, with one journalist saying, "To have this car drive me around Brisbane for an hour, we're talking in the city, motorway, spaghetti bowl of on-ramps, it handled it so well. It was mind-blowing." Mainstream media's review of Tesla's FSD, supervised after using it public roads in Australia. "To have this car drive me around Brisbane for an hour, we're talking in the city, motorway, spaghetti bowl of on-ramps, it handled it so well. It was mind-blowing." Source, reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at teslarati.